friends, welcome back to Heart Home Travel. So during my recent trip to Marrakech in Morocco, I stayed at this beautiful resort called Kenzi Menara Palace Hotel and Resort. For this trip, I flew in from Dubai to Casablanca and then took a train to Marrakech. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description and on the iCard on top right hand corner. So coming back to the Kenzi Menara Palace, this is a very affordable all-inclusive resort hotel which is built in a boxy Kasbah style. It is situated just south of the city center beside the 12th century Agdal Gardens, which is the location of the city's original orchards. The hotel is situated in 10 acres of greenery and offers big hotel facilities in a countryside setting. The Kenzi's boxy, balconied exterior is similar to the design of resort hotels world over. Inside, however, things improve with more stylish Arabo-Andalusian influences coming into play. The rooms are quite well designed in a spicy palette of reds and browns and are quite big in size with a nice balcony. My room faced the garden and the pool area. Bathrooms are similarly spacious and are fitted with baths and power showers. All rooms come with LCD TVs with satellite channels, coffee machines, mini bars, high-speed broadband, fresh fruit, and bathroom robes. The buffet breakfast is served from 7:30 am to 10:30 am at the Le Incense restaurant, which has a terrace overlooking the pool. The variety of dishes on the buffet was pretty good, though the menu did not change at all during my 4-night stay at the hotel. It would have been great if they had changed the menu at least once every 2 days. The pricing of the room starts at 1,200 Moroccan dirhams in low season and from 2,500 Moroccan dirhams in high season. Breakfast is always included. So that was a quick tour of the Kenzi Menara Palace Hotel and Resort in Marrakech, Morocco. If you like this video, please like it and share it, subscribe to our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos get posted. Thanks for watching.